Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here today. So today we're going to tackle some cleaning. As you saw, it is another rainy, gloomy day, and honestly, it's very hard for me to get motivated when the sun is not out. Even if I'm home, even if I need to do chores, I'd rather see the sun come through the window, but I had to get this done. So I'm going to start a spring series of getting things done around the house, like cleaning and organizing. So this is going to be the first video in that series. I always talk about how little storage I have in my bathroom, and it's true. I only have the storage underneath the sink. I put all my hair products, cosmetics, facial products, everything is here. This is what it looks like. A small space, but it works. I make it work. This is, real life. So we're going to start off with dusting off the vents, and then we're going to dust off the corners and the walls. I do get a lot of dust in this bathroom. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the lights because I don't really leave the window open or the blinds open, but the lights do produce a lot of dust. And since spring is upon us, we know we're going to see the little insects coming out, the spiders wanting to make their little homes in every corner of the house. So we're going to dust off everything, the baseboards, as I said, and we're going to steam mop the floor. So I do obviously clean my bathroom on a regular basis, but I don't do the deep cleaning every, month. Let's be honest, guys. We wipe down things, we clean the toilet, we, pass the Swiffer here and there. But the deep cleaning, it doesn't happen as often as I would like. So with that being said, I've also only been in this house for, it's going on a year. So in May, it's going to be a year anniversary. And we were the first people to move into this home. So, it's only my daughter and I, so it doesn't really get that dirty. Let's be honest. The tub hardly gets dirty. I shower every day, but we wiped everything down as we use it. So that's a tip, right? Wipe things down, your shower and everything while you're showering, just wipe things down. And it helps to keep things nice and clean so that it doesn't seem so much when it's time to do, your deep cleaning. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I hope this is an encouragement. If this is something that you need to check off your list, let's clean together. The bathroom is the least of my favorite of my cleaning, but it's got to get done, right? So let's clean together and let's tackle the bathroom. This is what I mean, right? Like, I don't think we clean the cabinet doors on a regular basis. At least I don't, and I forget how dusty they can get inside the cabinet as well. It's of course, and then I have long hair. I find hair everywhere. Who can relate to that? I can't believe I'm not bald yet. But even the towel holders, the toilet paper holder, they all get dusty. And so, these are the little things that I don't think we all clean on a regular basis. Honestly, my tub is really not that dirty. The only thing is we have very harsh water, like hard water here. So the faucet and all that gets stained very quickly. So that I focus on. And, the little corners, obviously, where the bottles sit. But I have to say, my tub really was not that dirty. Now, the floors I try to keep up with. Usually I'll pass the Swiffer or I'll do this with the vacuum. This Shark vacuum is amazing. It's great for small spaces, for getting behind the toilet. So I try to do that more on a regular, but, it's just like I said, it gets very dusty in here. And then, underneath the toilet, behind the toilet, that needed some extra attention on this day. And then at the end, you'll see that I will steam mop. But yeah, I shed a lot of hair, so I'm always seeing my hair all over the place. I would like to get something for my window. I don't know exactly what. I don't think I want a full length curtain, but I want some sort of window treatment here. I just don't know what I want to do yet. Maybe half the window. I'm not sure, but I definitely need something in my window. So I'm keeping that in mind, and I'm thinking I want some sort of wall art as well for behind the door. So yeah, it's a small bathroom, but I was thinking of, doing a little update to it. I'm just not sure exactly what. And like I said, I've been here a year, and this is the first time I'm cutting off this tag in the back of the toilet. I don't know why I never did that before. It used to always bother me, and I just never did it. So we finally got this tag out of there. But yeah, so thinking I can't even have like little area, like a little mat here. I mean, I just think the space is so tiny that I don't want to have a little mat here or anything. And then I can't have a little mat by the sink because the door gets in the way. So not complaining. I love my bathroom. It's just tiny, so I can't do much to it. But the window treatment is definitely something on my to-do list. So I will keep you guys updated on that. And like I said, there's a couple things I need to check off for spring, things that I want to do around the house. Organizing, a lot of organizing we need to do, and some new updates here and there. But of course, you guys will come along for everything. But we're done with the bathroom. Nice and simple. I love when it's clean. I hate cleaning it, but I love to see when it's all clean and nice and pretty. So we are going to tackle now the crown moldings, the walls. We're going to dust everything down here in the living room, kitchen, and dining room. We're not going to do any deep cleaning here today. This is just something on my list that I needed to check off. And I love this Swiffer stick. It's great for tall ceilings and hard to reach places. And so, yeah, like I said, this was something on my to-do list. And of course, it's something that you don't do on a regular basis, but As I said, I know the little critters are coming out soon, so we got to keep everything, try our best to keep everything dust free. And this is something that I will do more regularly during the summer because, like I said, the spiders and whatnot. It's amazing how quickly spiders can make their little webs, right? So this is something I do more frequently in the warmer months. So this was just kind of a kickoff to that. And then we're going to tackle the floors. Now, I don't whip out my cedar mop on a regular basis. I'll either do the Swiffer or the steam mop. But today we're doing the deep mopping. And I do have quite a few things I want to get done. As I mentioned, organizing. I want to organize my coat closet in the entryway. I never did anything with that closet since we moved in. I want to organize the cabinets underneath my kitchen island. Is where I have all my baking stuff, and that really needs to get organized. So I will be bringing you guys along with that, or for that, I should say. And I definitely still need, here in my dining room, I still need something for this corner. I've been looking at bookshelves, or just, I wish I could get a hutch, but it's not a huge space. So I need to be careful with what I get, but I definitely want to get something for that corner in my dining room. I have a box of decor that I still need to unpack. So that's also on my to-do list. My bedroom, I want to kind of revamp my bedroom a little bit. I do work from home. My desk is upstairs. My computer's upstairs. So I want to kind of revamp that. I think I want to replace my bedroom area rug. So there's quite a few things that I want to get done this spring. So if you guys enjoy that kind of content and you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. And yeah, and then of course, decorating will be still here. We will still be decorating for all the holidays and seasons. But can't be decorating all the time. I want to show you what I do when I'm not decorating as well. And so this is what I do. When I'm not working, I'm cleaning, I'm organizing, I'm cooking, I'm baking, and I want to share all of that with you guys. So I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone you think you would like it, and comment. Let me know where you're watching from. And as you can see, I need to tend to this dining area so badly. I have Christmas decor still here on my sofa table. I have St. Patty's Day decor, things that I've bought, things that have been gifted to me. That it's just, this sofa table has become a catch-all. So definitely need to tend to that. My daughter still had Christmas stuff in her bedroom that she brought down the other day. And I'm like, seriously? So my dining room definitely needs some TLC. So stick around for that. That's coming soon. And I will be washing all my curtains. So all the curtains will be getting washed in the house. So the living room curtains, my bedroom curtains, the kitchen little curtains that I have there, everything has to be washed. So stick around, guys, because we're going to be doing all the spring cleaning. I also want to clean the windows. As I said, we're here a year. I haven't done any window cleaning. I'm going to be honest about that. So we're going to do that as well. So I really hope you guys are looking forward to spending all this time with me. Make sure you hit that bell. When you hit the subscribe button, there's going to be a bell. Hit that bell and make sure you're picking the all so that you are being notified every time my videos go up. And if you've been subscribed, just make sure you're still subscribed, guys, because I heard YouTube does some funny stuff and unsubscribe some people without them knowing. So something else I need to figure out is what to put in this corner to hide the fire extinguisher. It is driving me absolutely crazy. By the way, yes, you see all that on my sofa table? That's what I was talking about earlier. It's a complete catch-all at the moment. And I really need to tend to this because, yeah, it's it's driving me a little crazy. I know I need to put away the Christmas stuff. It's just that my Christmas bins, I had put away everything already, and they're all the way at the bottom of all my other bins, so I need to do that. And my St. Patty's Day decor as well. Anyway, if you guys have any suggestions on what to put in that corner to hide my fire extinguisher, I have bought that little table you see there, and I didn't realize or think about it, but it's not hiding it because you can see right through it. So that's something that's really bugging me. I really need to find something there. I was thinking of a faux plant, like a tall faux plant, but I don't know if I really want that, to be honest. I feel like I'll get sick of it or tired of it. I'm not sure. I don't know. I need some sort of a little cabinet or something. I just feel like that fire extinguisher sticks out like a sore thumb. I would really like to know what you have planned to do around your home this spring season. What's on your to-do list? Comment below so that we can all talk about our to-do list and maybe give each other ideas as well and encouragement. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.